Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Now I know I'm not in my usual spot, not on the homestead right now. I'm actually picking up some mulch for the homestead. Real quick though, before we get going, I do want to say, if you like this video, if you like what you've seen on this channel so far, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, and also comment down below and tell us any feedback, ideas, or projects that you would like to see. Alright, well, let's get to loading my truck with some mulch. All I got's a pitchfork, so hopefully this won't take too long. Y'all just hang on. Alright. Well, unfortunately now I'm standing in icy mulch, but now I can just scoop and turn. Now, I don't want to fill my bed all the way up because I still got to drive home. I'd rather not be losing a bunch of mulch. I think people would be upset. That'll do for now. Now to get this thing home. All right, we're back home. Had to change. I was in sweats picking up this stuff. Got the mulch. We're gonna load it into a tub, and we're gonna take this to the chicken run. We're gonna layer the bottom of the chicken run. This will give them something to scratch through, and over time compost and all that. So let's get to it. Well, I've been thinking about it. I actually have a couple mugs that say, I tend to chickens. Therefore, I'm a chicken tender. I thought that was pretty funny. Let's get some more mulch. This gets heavy pretty quick, so take as many trips as I need. All right. 8 loads later, and it's all in there. I gotta get them some more water. But nice thing I figured out, I had to take a break and come back at it another day, and the loads that I had put in before, a few days ago, they had spread out. Let's see, I'll get you up here so you can see. And so I figured out I can just dump them in piles, and they'll go out and spread it out for me. So I don't have to worry about all that. All right, well, we got that in. They're gonna start turning that to compost. Now, I'll keep putting stuff in. It'll probably be, honestly, a year before I actually get some good compost. But you gotta start somewhere. So thanks for joining me today. And we'll see you back on the homestead next time.